Hey everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to automatically download and save the email attachments from Outlook to a folder in 2026. Now this saves time because you don't have to download the files one by one. So let's walk through it step by step. First of all, you need to open Outlook. Once you are inside, click on the option of file on the top left hand corner of the screen. Now click on the option of settings. Once you see this type of settings pop up in front of you, use the search bar here on the top and look for the option of rules. Now here, once you search for the option of rules, you just have to simply click on it and select the option of inbox rules. Over here, click on the option of add new rule. Now you just have to simply choose the apply rule on the messages that I receive from this list. Then in the third section, in the basically actions section, you just have to select save the attachment files to a specific folder. Then click the specified link and choose the folder's location on your computer where attachments should be saved automatically. Once you are done, simply hit OK. Click on the option of save in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now, with the help of this particular rule, every new email with an attachment will automatically download to that folder without any manual work. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.